Welcome back, guys. In this video we're going to look at mid-side processing in Ableton Live.
So here we are in Ableton Live, and I've got a kick on this channel and a bass line on this channel. So at the moment they sound like this. Okay, so that's pretty cool. And normally if we just wanted to center those low frequencies, we could go up to utilities and we could drop a bass mono after that synth. And that's just going to mono everything up to the frequency that we set it to. So let's say if we set it to like 150 hertz, everything below that is going to be monoed. So that's going to sound like this. But for a more elegant solution, and one that gives us a lot more control, we can actually use Ableton's EQ8 in mid-side mode. And the way we do that is the mode drop down here. If we click on that and choose MS, then that button underneath we can toggle between mid and side mode. So if we click that, we'll go into side mode, and then we activate this high pass filter at the bottom end there. And now we can pull that all the way up to, right the way up here to like 200 or 300 hertz, wherever. And that's just going to mono everything below that, but it's going to give it a nice slope because we've used the EQ. Now back to mid mode, we can actually afford to duck out a little bit of that high mid there. It's not affecting the sound very much, but it's giving us more headroom, and it's going to help us out a lot when we come to mixing it down. And that's how we do mid-side EQ in Ableton Live.
If you have any questions at all, ask me in the comments. Thanks for watching. See you next time.